Hi, my name is Lucy. Let me give you an introduction to my sewing space. On my right here is a quilting frame, and this quilting frame is for my students who want to learn how to do quilting using their own sewing machines. And if you look in front of me now, there's lots of fabrics, many different designs and everything that I've curated for students to learn how to do sewing so that whatever they are sewing would be very beautiful. On my left as well, you see even more beautiful fabrics for them to use and experiment with. And then now, if you look in front of me, these are the sewing machines that we use during our classes. Home sewing machines, computerized ones, and also overlocker and other machines where we need to use for that type of sewing. Mainly, these are for us to do basic beginner sewing classes because it's very easy for students to start using. These beginner students will start from not knowing how to sew to being well versed with using these sewing machines. And after this beginner sewing class, students can then choose what they would like to learn how to sew. Basically, these machines, the modern sewing machines, are very capable of sewing anything that you want to. You just need to know how to use the machine. And then now, if you look on my left as well, that is our cutting table. The cutting table is also very important because in sewing, we need to prepare the fabrics that we're going to sew accurately so that when we sew, it becomes a perfect piece of sewing. And now, this is my sewing space.